Good morning everyone and welcome to the Atelier building. Now we're not going to be in this building much longer because we are going to be moving to our new building for competitions very soon. As you can see, work has already started in here. We've got some benches coming up because this is going to turn into some more workshop space. But I wanted to show you some of the cars that we've got in at the moment, as well as our competition car and some new arrivals that have just arrived about 10 minutes ago, honestly. But in here we have lots of classics already. Now the first one I'd like to chat about is our Riley 9 horsepower. So it's just over here. Sorry, there's some tables in the way, but it has had fresh paint from Joby Carter and it is looking stunning. It really is. It's come back to its former glory. It really has. This has been a long restoration, but it's one we are very, very proud of. We believe this is actually a prototype model. When we first got it, it was found in a barn and it was completely in bits, wasn't it, Rob?
Yeah, so I've found out recently as well, potentially this even predates the prototypes.
Wow.
So it looks like it could be an experimental model when Percy Riley was working on a new version of the car.
Well, there you go. And sorry guys, I forgot to introduce Rob. Rob's behind the camera. You just heard the voice coming from the ether. So it's me and Rob today on. And there's also some more cars in here as well. Let's go and have a little look. So we've got our beautiful C-Type here. Wowee. I am in love with this car and in love with the colour as well. It reminds me of kind of like mint choc chip ice cream, without the choc chips obviously, just like mint ice cream, but it is absolutely gorgeous. It really is. This is our director Gordon's car, but I cannot wait to maybe ask him to take me out for a spin in it soon. Fingers crossed.
I think it's nearly done. I think there's just a few little bits left, bit of testing, and then it's going to be ready to go.
Oh my goodness me. So it's really like the one we have in the picture up here. That is always pride of place in our Atelier building. I'm not sure if that's going to move over with us, is it?
I don't know, it's quite big.
I know, it is quite large.
It's quite large.
And we also have our Ferrari Dino. Now this is a customer's car as well, but it has been turning a lot of heads in the Atelier. It really has. Whenever we've had our events, people are always like, oh, look at that Dino. And it is very nice indeed. And it's definitely bringing the sunshine with this bright yellow. Now I'm telling you, I don't know what it looks like on the camera, but it is bright. It really is. And we've got some more kind of bright colours in here today.
I always think with this car as well, it looks incredible as it is, and we haven't done any work on it yet, so it's only going to get better from where it is
now. Do you know what
now.
work it needs to be had
It's
done
just a kind of basic recommission, so nothing too major, but it'll obviously look even better by the time it leaves us.
It sure will, it sure will. And we also have our Amphi car in here as well. So this is a customer's car that we've been doing some work on. The Spitfire that you know about already, guys.
What's the one fact that everyone knows about Amphi cars, Molly?
I don't know.
They're found mostly at Disney World.
Yes, I actually did know that. I did know that. I thought you were testing me and throwing me off.
$125 for a Amphi car ride at Disney World.
There we go. Has this one ever been to Disney World, do you know?
Not that I know of. Not that I know of.
Interesting. There you go, guys. Fun fact from Rob. There. The Spitfire has obviously been won and we're waiting to deliver that. We have our Jaguar XJ, which is live on the British Classic Cars competitions website at this very moment. We will talk about this a little bit more in our later live today when we do the live draw of our Mercedes. But yes, this is live on the British Classic Cars competitions website now. So if you wanted to go and have a look at it, please do go and check it out. And also, there's a little blue car which is hiding just in the corner over here. And this is...
It is a bit crazy news day. I think you said earlier, Molly, but we are in the process of moving over to the new building.
Stepping over
so things are everywhere.
Now this is a very special Mini, isn't it, Rob? Because it is actually hiding a secret under the bonnet.
Yeah, so it's known as the fastest Mini in the world. It's got 300 brake horsepower, and it all comes from a Tesla engine. It's actually an electric classic Mini.
It is amazing. It is a customer's car. It's not our car. Okay, I think we're borrowing it for a little while. Looking at it.
Yeah, just having it on display for a little while.
Having it on display because it is too beautiful for people not to get a look at. I'd love to take it for a spin, but I don't think I'm allowed.
It's kind of nice with the Mini on one side and then the Riley on the other. So you've got two, kind of the beginning of the automotive industry and then the current iteration.
Like two different extremes. But let's head outside, guys, because we thought we'd jump on here to let you know about the live draw that's happening later. But also, we have had two new arrivals arrive at the British Classic Cars workshop just about 10 minutes ago. So our Morgan 44 is here, and it is going to its new owner on Thursday, Emma, who won it last Tuesday. So we're very excited to drop that off to her and her dad. Now, this is the car of the moment, our Mercedes 300 SL. Now, this has sold out. It sold out, oh gosh, about Thursday.
Yeah, Thursday or Friday last week. So there is no tickets left on this car, but we are going to find a very lucky winner at 4 p.m. today on the British Classic Cars Facebook page. So please do join us. If you've got tickets for this car, I could be ringing you up very soon and making you very happy indeed. So yes, please do join us at 4 o'clock on the British Classic Cars Facebook page for that. Now, all the guys are working really busy in the workshops. Here's Gordon. Say hi. So we've got our green Spitfire here, which is for our customer. We've got our Mercedes 280 SL, which is also for a customer that are hoping to take out some drives very soon. But the two cars that have just arrived are these. So we have got this lovely Jaguar EType here, and you can see they've just arrived because they've still got the transport stickers on them. Is that fresh? The news here, guys, you get it quickly, you do. So with this car, so it's a customer's car. They purchased it at auction recently, and they live in Singapore. So we've brought it to the workshop, gonna check it over, do little bits to it, and then off it'll go.
Off it'll go. Not with us for long, but we're happy that it's here, most definitely. But there is a car that is going to be with us for a little while because it may be a competition car, guys.
And by may, you mean it definitely will be.
It definitely will be. And it is our 1971 Triumph GT6 Mark III. Here it is. We are very excited that this has just arrived, and I think we're going to try and do some filming with it today. So it won't be too long until you'll be seeing this on the British Classic Car.
It hasn't even been cleaned yet, so you can see it's already looking pretty good.
Pretty good. So we're excited to kind of do filming with it so we can give it to you guys as a competition car very soon. But everyone, so this is what's been going on this morning at British Classic Cars. Busy as always, but we hope to see you all later at 4 p.m. on the British Classic Cars Facebook page for the live draw of our Mercedes-Benz 300 SL, and hopefully we will find a winner then. Ooh, see you then.